Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a paragraph to your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and the text editor, which is Sublime Text. You can use another text editor. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application Sublime Text, and then it should open up the project that we are working on. If not, go to File, Open, choose the destination and open the index.html. And now to insert a paragraph, we can go into the body and type in the same way for heading, less than, p greater than, space, less than, slash, and watch the autofill. And now we can type, this is a paragraph. And I highlight the line of code that was typed in and paste on the next line and type, this is another paragraph. Command S to save, go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube Channel, Tutorials, HTML Tutorials, Index.html, right click, open with Safari, minimize Finder for the moment, decrease the size of the web browser, likewise with Sublime Text, and then we can see both windows at the same time. And now we have, this is a paragraph, this is another paragraph, coded from index.html and then outputted on your screen from the website. We can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.